Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be showing you how I made this fenugreek hair spray. Yes, but first I want to say thank you to all my wonderful subscribers. If you're watching me for the first time, thank you so much for tuning in, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your continuous support. So let's go on with the video of today. So I made a video some time ago about the fenugreek hair oil. It is very effective hair oil that will grow out your natural hair healthy and strong. Okay, so I have come today to share with you the fenugreek hair spray. All right, especially in this summer season, we tend to get our hair super dried, so it is good for us to moisturize our hair. Some people use water to moisturize their hair, so it's not bad if you add some fenugreek to boost the growth of your hair, to help your hair to stay strong and healthy, thick and shiny. Let's just get on with the video of today, how I made my fenugreek hair spray. And if you also want to check out the video of how I make the fenugreek hair oil, please check in the description box down below, or it's just gonna pop up now. Go and watch that video. All right guys, so keep watching. So guys, of course we're going to be needing fenugreek seed, and then I've got a spray bottle there, and a bowl for mixing, measuring cup, and a jug of water. Your fenugreek seed should look something like this, and in the spray bottle I've got a little bit of water, but I want you to ignore that. So right now with the measuring cup, I'm going to be adding 2 measuring cups of fenugreek seed into the bowl. And now I'm going to add water. I'm just adding a normal tap water. It doesn't have to be warm. So just add a normal tap water into it. And then I will go ahead and mix this very well. And then I'll cover it up. And it's just going to sit there. I'll cover this up for 12 hours. And then I will leave the water and the fenugreek seed to get fully infused for good 12 hours. And then I'll be back to show you how it looks. So now it is 12 hours and I am ready to transfer the water into the spray bottle, and it is ready to be used. You can see that the color has changed. This is because the fenugreek has transferred all its effectiveness into the water. And also the fenugreek seed has definitely increased in size. So now I'm just going to cover this up, and now it is ready to be used. So if you want a faster, quicker, healthier hair growth, this is what you can do to help to grow your hair faster. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell. That bell will notify you whenever I upload a new and interesting video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.
Goodbye, goodbye, good friends, goodbye.